no? Parang nagsishake na agad ako eh. Sabi ko, grabe, iba yung ganda ni Miss Marian, divine.
Totoo
Yun
yan.
talaga yung term na gusto kong gamitin doon.
Parang gusto ko rin sumayaw.
Ay!
Ay, grabe!
Miss Marian, hindi ako dancer.
Miss Marian, of course, welcome to I Am Worldwide's 8th anniversary celebration. Sobrang saya namin na nandito po kayo.
Yeah, sabi ko nga, nung sinabi sa akin to, sabi ko, why not? 8 years. Sabi ko, wow.
Bilis.
Oo, ang bilis, parang kailan lang. Pero ang maganda niyan, kasi nakikita ko at narinig ko yung mga testimonial ng bawat isa sa mga ginagamit nilang produkto. So, very happy ako na maging part talaga.
And alam mo, Miss Marian, committed po. We're also thankful for your presence tonight. And partner, alam mo ba, ito hindi na to bago sa ating lahat, especially the members. For the past 8 years, the one and only Miss Marian Rivera has been with us, di ba?
Tama yan.
Partner, alam mo ba, from the beginning, my favorite product talaga sa Miss Marian from I Am Worldwide.
I think I know what it is, and without a doubt po, and kampante po ako, I'm very confident in saying this, yung amazing barley po ang favorite ni Miss Marian. At kitang-kita naman sa kutis, sa ganda, eternally beautiful, grabe talaga. I still believe that you take it every single day. Naalala ko nga, twice a day ang sinabi niyo po, no? Tapos, ang sabi pa niya, grabe talagang energy na binibigay din ng our amazing barley.
Alam mo, partner, I am in total agreement sa Miss Marian. Okay lang po ba kung magtatanong lang po kami ng few questions within regards kung paano niyo po naging favorite product ng ating amazing organic?
Of course.
Thank you so much. Partner, take it away.
Okay, so itoto na natin ang pasabog nito for this evening. So, Team I Am Worldwide, we do know that the most beloved and versatile product in I Am Worldwide. Ay, grabe!
Ibang klase!
Wait!
Ako lang ba? Parang lumindol. Parang na-shatter yung stage. Team I Am Worldwide! Palakpakan mo naman ang nag-iisang Alden Richard!
Hello, magandang gabi. It's an honor po to be here to say hello to everyone. Of course, happy 8th anniversary to our I Am Worldwide family. Maraming salamat po for continuously. Hi Mama Ton, I miss you. Yes.
Of course, our very own Barley Queen, nandito na po!
Na napakaganda as always. There you go. Radiating so much youth and beauty lagi. Go ahead, Sir Alan, please.
Yes, and of course, gusto ko po magpasalamat most especially to Sir Allen, of course, to Miss Anna and Miss Aiga. And sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta sa I Am Worldwide, and to all the winners and who are keeping their loyalty to the brand, thank you so much.
Thank you din. At pinakilig mo kaming lahat.
Spot.
My goodness, double kilig. Grabe yung goosebumps ko yun. Ayaw nang bumaba ng
Sabi lalaglag na
ko.
kita. Nakita ko yung reaction mo magpasok niya.
Sobrang nagulat ako. Kayo nagulat ba? Ay, grabe. Take this opportunity, by the way, of course, to take photos. Ang hashtag natin.
I am Dominic and I am
Yes.
8th anniversary.
Correct.
There you go.
At dahil dyan, as early as now, we would like to call in our board of directors to join, of course, Ms. Marian Rivera and Sir Alden Richards right here on the stage. Simulan po natin with our very beautiful